Hello everyone, this is lecture 11 of class 8 of chapter 1 computer networking. In previous lectures I had told you about cables. Now the another network device is hub and switch. Hub and switch are boxes with several connection points, and these connection points are called ports. Like this, all these are connection points and these connection points are called here ports, and these connection points are used to connect devices in a network. See in the book, this is hub and this is switch, and these are the connection points, and through this connection point we connect the cable, and through this we can transfer data from one node to another node. Generally hub and switch both are used for same purpose, and the purpose is that if we want to connect more than two computers or more than two nodes with each other, then we can use either hub or switch. But if we have only two computers, then directly we can connect with each other. But if we have more than two nodes or computers, then we need hub or switch for making connection among the computers or nodes. Now, what is difference between the hub or switch? Let us understand with the example. These two are boxes with several connection points. We can take it as hub. For example, all these are computers and these are also computers. We want to send data from this computer to this computer. So it means firstly data will go to the hub and this hub will send data to this hub. When data will be received by this hub, this data will be sent to all the computers at the same time. Means all the computers will receive the same data. But in switch, when data is coming from here to here, only destination computer, it means for which it is created, for which data is created, will receive the data. Not all computers will receive the same data. This is the difference. So we can say that switch is smarter than hub because it provides data to only the destination computer.